when I aim up, elevating that game up, stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate.
Hey guys, what is up? Good morning. Another day, another video, and we are at the beach side. As you can listen to the voices in the background. Yes, and this is a continuation. We came from the casino and directly to the beach. That is why I'm wearing this sunglasses to cover my sleepy eyes. Full of energy. Vishwa is sleeping here. Time lapse is going on there. I know there are a lot of time lapses in this trip. क्या करे भाई? It's so beautiful location. Time lapse के बिना चल ही नहीं रहा. So new day. आज I think so. Today we are going to go sleep now. उसके बाद we are planning to go to दूधसागर और South Goa खत्म. अब we'll go to South Goa, enjoy the silent beaches there. After this हम लोग रूम जाएंगे. We'll take power naps and continue our day. आज बहुत हेक्टिक होने वाला है बिकॉज कल रात से नींद नहीं है. बट कैसीनो वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल चुम्मा एक्सपीरियंस. आई होप आई कुड हैव शूट इनसाइड. मज़ा आया था बट प्राइवेसी इश्यूज, पर्सनल इश्यूज, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन द कैसीनो. बट वाओ, लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस. मेट सम क्रेजी बिलियनर्स, रिच पीपल. लाइक इट वॉज जस्ट क्रेजी. सो या अभी हम लोग रूम जाके आई विल टेक रेस्ट and meet you whenever I can pick the camera. अब if you can see my eyes, आँख भी छोटा हो गया एकदम, नींद आ रही है. So yeah, whenever I get up, I'll hold the camera and meet you guys. Boom. So guys, we are back again. It's 4:30 in the evening. We woke up at around 3 o'clock. We got ready and now we are leaving from this room. We'll go to the Tito Street. सी उधर कुछ तो भी है क्या खरीदने के लिए या कुछ करने के लिए. एंड आफ्टर दैट विल से बाय टू नॉर्थ ऑफ गोवा, ऑल द पॉश प्लेसेस एंड गो टू द सीनिक साउथ गोवा. गाइस, लिविंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल क्यूट लिटिल रूम नाउ. फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज लूब माई चेन बिकॉज जब से आए तब से वी डिडंट लूब. सो या लेट्स गो आउट. वी हैव माउंटेड ऑल द बैग्स पूरा माउंट हो गया, बस चेन लूप करना बाकी है. मैं एक पागलपंती क्या किया वो है तो आई ऑलरेडी माउंटेड द लगेज एंड नाउ चेन लूबिंग इज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज इट. नाउ इफ यू सी विश्वा బండి ఆఫ్ చేసి క్లచ్ పట్టుకొని బండి ఆఫ్ చేయి. So now if you see how clean the chain is, साफ हो गया एकदम. रोटेट होते होते तो ऑटोमेटिकली विल बिकम मोर नीट. दैट्स इट गाइस, लेट्स गो. With all this luggage, it is very hard to climb the bike. साइड स्टैंड में डाल के एक कुंफू या मार्शल आर्ट जब मारना पड़ता मेरे को हर बार. So yeah, let's go guys. It was fun in North Goa. Very beautiful place. Now let's explore the south side of Goa. Before that we'll go to the Tito Street once. I didn't show you that, so yeah, we'll cover that too. So let's get going. Let's go to the Tito Street. It is a very beautiful place actually, Goa, but not of my vibe because of the alcohol and the culture here. But this has some very beautiful vibe. This place has a very beautiful vibe. उसको अपन ख़राब कर दे रहे by drinking ये वो culture डाल के. If you take out that part from Goa, ये beach culture, drugs, smoking, alcohol, ये सब अगर if you remove, you know, and when you explore Goa, you'll fall in love with this place because this has such beautiful architecture. वो देखो, look at the temple, how beautiful it is. It is a very small temple, but then look at the way it's built. मार्केट देखो, लुक एट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हियर, हाउ क्यूट अच्छा घर है. I loved it actually, मस्त लगा एकदम. And this place is like, this has beaches and it comes after the Ghats. So Ghats के बाद ये place है. So it has that nice cute hill ranges all along, and then अपने को beaches हो गया. If you go along ऊपर ब्रिज के ऊपर, बीच के ऊपर जाओ या कोई ब्रिज के ऊपर जाओ, you can see the sea. Or so it has a very beautiful river too. It is the Mandovi river, the one which we were crossing the first and the second day. That is the Mandovi river. So yeah, this place is actually good, but it is been, what do you call, it has been marketed, or what do you say that thing, it has been promoted as a drunkard place, good for drinking, good for nightlife and all the things. But no, according to me, this place has a lot of things to be explored. So this is a very famous Tito street. You have variety of shops here, tattoo shops बहुत ज़्यादा है, small restaurants, pubs, bars, restaurants, shopping के लिए. There's a lot of places here, but majorly you will find tattoo mask. ये देखो, this is a Thai spa. Yeah. जिसको भी स्पा कराना हो यार आ सकता है. नज़रा स्पाई तो आपकी बीवी करेगी या आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड करेगी. अगर आप इधर आओगे तो आप स्पा करा लो. स्पाई की चिंता अपने स्पाउस वाइज अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के ऊपर छोड़ दो. So yeah, this is a cute little street. You have the local क्या बोलते कपड़े, and majorly you'll see pedicures. I've seen lot pedicures. And this beautiful beach, the Baga beach, a very famous beach. It is like more famous than the Kalingat, but Kalingat is one of the best beaches you can visit. But I don't know, Baga is like very famous here. People are like, अगर गोवा गए बागा नहीं गए तो क्या गए. That is how it is. So yeah. So this is the famous Baga beach. This is the entrance. You have to go walk from here, or the sunset or beautiful. So yeah. So yeah guys, that was the Tito street that you saw, and now we are taking a small break at McD. I know you will be shocked यहाँ पे आके भी McD, but what to do? No other place to park our bikes, and I can see my bikes there. They are parked there. So yeah, fully loaded है, तो रिस्क नहीं ले सकते उसके साथ, इसलिए इधर से we can see the bikes and have food. So इसलिए we came to McD. I ordered a paneer wrap and hot chocolate. So yeah, light खाएंगे, and we'll go there and have good dinner today. This is what we have ordered: blueberry splash, hot chocolate, paneer wrap, and paneer Mekalu tikki, Mexican Mekalu tikki.
And this is very cool.
So yeah, let's have food and continue our journey. So done eating. I didn't want to vlog actually, direct GoPro पे मिलेंगे सोचा, but this McD deserves a shout out. Payment of best McD I ever had in recent times. So if you are coming to Goa, this is near Baga Beach, right side पे है, Kalangat district में. So yeah, do visit this. मस्त है एकदम, एक नंबर. The hot chocolate was so yummy. I feel like having one more, but no, we have to go now. It's already 7. अब South Goa पहुँचने में 9:30 होगा. Then we have to find a stay there. So yeah, I'll meet you guys on the GoPro. So done refueling. I couldn't vlog in the what do you call that, petrol pump, क्योंकि वहाँ पे गाने चल रहे थे. फिर अपने को अभी अपना चैनल ग्रो हो रहा, तो कहीं को बोलो कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक भरवाने ला कार के गाने के ऊपर एक गाने के लिए, इसलिए आई डिडंट ब्लॉग. 250 रुपीज़ जला लिया. दिस बाइक इज़ परफॉर्मिंग लाइक चुम्मा. 800 किलोमीटर्स आया ये गाड़ी ओनली विथ 1600 फ्यूल, विच इज़ सो गुड.
Till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watched me elevate. I was born and when I watched me elevate. I was born and when I watched me elevate. I was born and when I watched me elevate.
So we were searching for a resort and now we have find a place. It is like very creepy. We're going into some place and let's see how it goes. For a beautiful stay we have to do this, I think. Oh very it's sand. Shit. So this is a beautiful location that we are staying in for 2 days in South Goa. It's a very beautiful property. I liked it so much. Nice cute rooms and it is directly on the beach. So कोई चीज़ की टेंशन ही नहीं है. And this is the room. We got a small veranda kind of thing. फिर see this is a cute little room. Neatly अच्छा लगा हुआ है and this is the washroom. It's good. It cost us 3,500 for 2 nights, so it's a very good deal that we cracked. So yeah guys, hope you saw the room tour. This is such a beautiful cute place that Vishwa found out. It's just wow. Awestruck हूँ मैं. Tomorrow morning I'll show you guys this whole property. You can have a glimpse of this until I say goodbye to the vlog. So yeah, that's it for the day. Today was not that perfect क्योंकि सुबह हम लोग कैसीनो से आने के बाद फंस गए, बागा बीच गए. You saw the Baga Beach time lapse, Baga Beach, and then after that Tito Street, and we came here. That's it. Not much today, but the place is very beautiful. So yeah.
Way back home.